Hey guys, it's Julie Willits back with you from juliewillits.com, and we're going to go over lifestyle on your personal Facebook profile. So a lot of people think that you have to actually have gone somewhere great or exotic or do something like totally off the wall to be able to get attraction on your posts and engagement for the lifestyle photos. And that's not really true. I'm here actually on my profile, and let's see, let's go down to, this was a picture from last year, and my girlfriend, a couple of girlfriends, and I took a trip to Savannah. And so I posted this as a good morning picture, and you can see it's nothing special. I mean, it's a clear picture. Basically, that's what you want. Somewhere outdoors is usually better because it's brighter. It's more attractive to see somewhere outside than it is just a picture maybe inside that doesn't have the lighting that you need to go ahead and get attraction to your post. So, just little things. I mean, you do not need anything fancy by any means. I mean, here's a picture of me inside with my granddaughter, and we were just playing around taking some pictures, and I decided to keep that and go ahead and post it. So your lifestyle pictures do not have to be something extra special. They, most of the time, of course, you would like yourself to be in them by all means. I'm the picture taker around here. And so there's not a lot of pictures of me with other people unless it's selfies. And so, that does become a little bit of a problem. But, I do the best I can and just go from there. Sometimes I, take pictures of the babies and post them, and, they're always fun. I mean, who doesn't love babies, right? So, just keep that kind of stuff in mind. Here's a picture I posted over the weekend. I was hanging out with some girlfriends, but like I said, I'm the picture taker, so we have to go back to selfies again. That's the birthday girl. And here's all four of us together. We all grew up together. We've been friends for like 46 years plus. And, it's just, fun stuff. You want to act like you, of course, I want you to be having fun at all times, right? But something, fun of you, your family, you and your friends, you and your pets, you out somewhere. It doesn't have to be, it could be at the park, your local park. It doesn't have to be anything major or extravagant. So I hope that kind of helps you guys out. I know this is kind of like really short today, but I'm going to do some other videos today, and I just wanted to get that in there very quickly. And I want you guys to go ahead and implement the results, the value, and the lifestyle. It doesn't actually have to be in that order, as long as you're going ahead and posting that on a regular basis. Okay, well, I will see you guys on the next video, and if you haven't subscribed, go ahead, leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye now.